Hey, welcome back to another video. Today we're in the market and I'm here to buy some street food. Thai banana roti. Okay, so here we go. She starts out by peeling the banana. Just takes out peels from one side and chops it in her hand. And then slides the banana into the egg mixture. She beats up the egg mixture, keeps it aside, and lights up the fire, the stove. Okay, more oil goes in. That's a lot of oil for one roti. Okay, she starts out by spreading the dough onto the surface. Some more oil to keep it smooth and easy to flatten it out. And then she slaps it onto that surface to make it really thin. You can see this process a lot in Singapore and Malaysia. This is probably from there, and you can also see this in Tamil Nadu, in southern parts of India. Not so much in the rest of the country. That's how they make roti in those parts. Okay, so she puts it onto the oil, pours in the mixture. Okay, spreads it out. Some more butter or margarine, I think, goes in. It's like full of fats, you know, these butter, oil. Okay, she folds up the roti. More butter. Okay, and then it's flipped. More oil. Here are the prices. It starts out at 15 all the way to 30. Can go up to 35 with extra toppings. So I think mine would be around 30 or 35 because I asked for a banana and an egg. You can also ask for black currants, chocolate sauce, also Nutella or Nutella, however you call that, peanut butter, jelly, anything you want can be added as a topping. Okay, so she keeps it and then flips it. Okay, it looks really crisp and toasted on one side. This is the name of this cart. I can't read Thai. I can speak some, but not read, so I don't know what's the name. Alright, I think it's done. So here we go. She takes it out and puts it onto a butter paper. She's draining the oil and the fats. That's good. Okay. Alright, here goes in the roti onto the butter paper. She chops it up, first cutting it vertically and then making little squares. Okay, cutting it horizontally now to make little squares. Interesting process. Good to watch. Okay, she pulling out. Okay, it's just a container, a plastic container. Roti goes on top and then goes in the condensed milk. Sugar, lots of sugar. Okay, it's a Southeast Asian thing. They eat a lot of sugar, and whenever there is bread, there's milk for some reason. Okay, she puts it into a carry bag, a plastic carry bag. Alright, that looks interesting, really tasty. Okay, so here we go. I gave her 100 baht and asked her for permission to put it on YouTube. And she hands me back some change. Alrighty, so that's it.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please consider subscribing and smash that bell icon. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.